Hi everyone, welcome to Government House, Port Louis, Mauritius. We allowed in. There we are, Ricky's inside. Oh, there are loads of other people. But anyway, we're allowed here. One day a year.
Normally coinciding with the monuments and something day.
International Monuments and Sites Day. We get to see Queen Victoria from the back finally. So they did actually give her a back. Prime Minister's office back there, and W. Stevenson. Have a look, they're making a bonsai mapu tree. They've all wired them up. We made it through security. We had to put our ID numbers in, but look at it, we made it.
Every morning, the politicians have to walk up this big flight of stairs.
Do they really? Keeps them fit. Go Rick, go. There's actually really good, well-cut stone. But it is a long way up.
It's a view you don't often get to see. All the way down to the harbour.
Oh wow, look at this place, Government House. They have a beautiful portrait of Queen Victoria.
Wow.
Beautiful chandeliers, and you can see that originally would have been gas or even wax, oil. Oh, in the ceiling, I didn't even notice. Oh man, that is the biggest mirror I've seen. Oh, and there's me with the whole place behind me because there's this huge mirror. Oh wow.
I must say the artwork in this room is exquisite and huge. And this is Queen Mary.
This is King George V. Beautiful painting, and look at the vase next to him. Wow, must have been a gift.
Look at these chairs, they're carved in wood. Absolutely exquisite. And there's a whole set of them. Hand carved. It's amazing.
You mess up once, you start again.
You do.
This takes years. This is one of the chairs where the government guys would sit. And watch this. This is me. I'm in the government now. They said so if I sit in the chair. They're actually really comfy chairs, really comfy chairs. It's like Pan, I think that's Pan. Man. Wow. Wait, get a Ricky wave.
The scale of these paintings is immense. Brian's looking at a ship.
It's a French ship, I can't see the name. This is a Dutch ship. It's not French at all. Obviously I don't know flags well enough, but it is a beautiful model. Oh wow. Oh, there we go. There's the ship.
And a walkway into the private areas. But you're allowed to stand up there to take a picture. I saw people taking selfies. But you can't go through, no. Awesome.
In the government dome. Oh, it's supposed to be a picture. Sorry, guys. Well, now it's video, so we're in a dome. Walking through the dome for the montage. There's a montage.
Just been in such big political meetings and everything.
Yeah, you know. And
One of those chairs to relax.
oh, and they're all taken. This here are all the original speakers from Independence. And they keep going around the wall. And right at the end, we end up with the first woman speaker.
Yes. Progress.
This is Ricky admiring the skill.
Look at the detail. When you see it from close up, you can actually see big brush strokes and everything. But it looks like satin. And you can even see on her wrist, she's obviously got her beloved.
Oh yes. And something else.
Absolutely exquisitely done.
It is beautiful. You can see the
Masterpiece.
diamonds.
painted or by who?
There's the artist's name there, but we can't read it. Oh guys, you're not going to believe this. I have to hold it up for the reflection, but watch your eyes. Look how they just keep following you around the room. Queen Victoria's watching you guys.
See everybody coming into Port Louis all the way from the harbour. And it's a huge building. We were just allowed into a small piece of it during the open day. But it is massive.
Originally, right here was a wooden structure with palm leaves as a roof. And then in 1738, Le Bourdonnais and the first governors of Mauritius actually built downstairs, which is the stone structure down there. I don't think we can get in there. And then slowly they kept building on it. And there was a cyclone in 18 something or other. They came here and they had to close every single one of these windows. They had to shutter the boards and nail them shut. And you can see there are so many, something like 180. And they had to come and they had the cyclone, they had 5 minutes warning and then the cyclone hit. And they managed to save the building.
Wow.
Awesome.
One of the oldest buildings you'll find standing.
Probably one of the oldest buildings you'll find standing.
All of Mauritius.
In the whole of Mauritius. This is it right here. There.
This is Governor Stevenson, who was actually born in Jamaica in 1805 and was the governor of Mauritius in 1863. Kind of cool.
I didn't actually notice this, but look, it's stone down here, right? Stone on this first floor. On the second floor, it's actually a wooden building. You can actually see it's a wooden building. We can't go up there. Maybe I can just zoom a little. And you can see the wooden structure. And you can see the wooden structure.
Right, so one day a year, the government house is open to the public. Check the app that we'll put in the description below, so that you can know which day, but normally it coincides, like I said at the beginning. So around about April, May, March, somewhere around there. One day.
And well, we can't get much closer than this, but you can't really see much of her. So, Queen Victoria. Oh, that's a view. Wow. The statue of Queen Victoria is actual national heritage. Stows the statue of Stevenson and that big building behind them.
Government house.
Government house, also national heritage.
3 in 1.
3 in 1.
Only this weekend.
Only this weekend.
Stop.
Oh wow, government house. You don't often get to see where the politicians of the day work. Well, anyway, everyone, thanks for watching. See you again next time.